What's up, witches? Welcome back to the channel. And if you're new, welcome. So, we are not doing witchy makeup today because we got our Inked Goddess Creations box to unbox. So, this is what it's looking like. Here's the card. So, let me put my glasses on. And we'll try to go Alright, so this is what it's looking like. Nice paper. Alright, so the first thing I'm pulling out is Fall Magic Cauldron Simmer. Dried apple slice, chamomile, yarrow, ginger, cinnamon chips, orange peel, cardamom pods, and nutmeg. So what you do with this is you can put it in a pot on your stove or in one of those simmering pots, and you add this in and it stinks the house up real nice. Let's see what they say about it. Harvest blend of apple, nutmeg, orange, yarrow, and more to help you embrace your autumn energy. Simmer in a pot of water on a low stove setting or in a small crock pot full of water and allow the aromas and energy to cleanse and uplift and add prosperous energy to your home or sacred space. So that's what it looks like. It smells good. Alright, so second thing in the box is a witch's ladder kit. So you have Sorry Yarn, lava bead, wood bead, watercolor glass bead, vintage key charm, feather, and a cinnamon stick. Looks like that. Create your own witch's ladder for your specific intention. Don't forget to gather a few items personal to you or your spell to weave into the ladder. Instructions for making the witch's ladder are found on page 148 of a little book of witchcraft, which is in the box, which is going to be the next thing we get out. This is the little book of witchcraft. This hardback pocket grimoire packs a big magical punch in a small size with 160 pages of witchcraft knowledge for you to take on the go, keep by your altar, and more. So that's what it looks like. Alright, so nice little pocket book. I'm digging that. Alright, so the next, whoa, dropping stuff. It's a votive. Elementive votive candle. Which element chose you this month? Only one of the following is in your box. We got orange, which is fire, dragon blood, which represents fire, the element of fire, and the scent is dragon's blood and orange clove. The other options you could get would be earth, would be green, honeysuckle, patchouli, and cedarwood. Glad I didn't get that. I can't do patchouli. Yellow, which represents air, which would have been lavender and lemongrass, and water, which was blue, chamomile, vanilla, and gardenia. So we got the orange for fire, which I love. I am a fire sign, so that's cool. The next thing is a little moon. Looks like lapis, is it? Mini lapis lazuli moon. Lapis is a great gemstone for enhancing intuition, promoting healing and peace, embracing self-growth. The crescent moon shape can help connect you to the lunar energy. Isn't that pretty? Very pretty. Oh, we have a little pouch here. All right, this is an elemental necklace. Sorry, I'm dropping the box here. So it has the 4 elements on it: earth, water, fire at the bottom, and air. So it says, engraved with symbols of each of the 4 elements, this necklace can help you connect and work with elemental energy or discreetly portray your witchy ways if you're still in the broom closet. Cute. And then, last but not least, you get your cards to add to your deck. One is about lapis lazuli, prized gemstone of nobility, valued not only for its beauty but also for its magical properties. Cherished since ancient times by Egyptian royalty and healers, it's long been seen as a spiritual guardian that protects against negative energies and psychic attacks. There's more, but I'm not going to read it all. You can pause if you want. And then the Witch's Ladder. The Witch's Ladders date back to the 19th century England, where folk magic practitioners wove spells into yarn or twine using knot magic. Each knot was tied while speaking an intention, often with charms, hair, feathers, or other natural materials to match the purpose. Traditionally, they were used for protection, healing, or cursing. Today, many witches adapt this practice by adding color magic, gemstones, choosing knot numbers that align with their intentions. For example, use 3 knots for balance, 7 for luck, 9 for completion, or 13 for transformation. The Witch's Ladder remains a powerful tool for charms of protection, healing, abundance, and manifestation. Witches' ladders are often hung in windows, over doors, or placed on altars. If made for a specific short-term purpose, they can be buried, burned, or discarded once their work is done. And that's what the card looks like. All right, so that is our box. Here is the information. So, we got the cards, the lapis moon, the necklace, the cute little book of witchcraft, Witch's Ladder kit, Fall Magic Cauldron Simmer. Alright, so if you go to her website, Ain't Goddess Creations, this subscription box, the one I get, is $35 a month. That includes the shipping. The money comes out on the 1st, and you usually get your box by the 12th at the latest. This box has been sitting all weekend. I think I got it on Friday the 11th. But I had some family... Oh, and we got the candle too. I had some family parties and stuff. We had a baby shower for my grandson and his wife. I'm going to be a great-grandma in December. It's a girl. So, we did a baby shower on Saturday. So, there was a lot of prepping to go on, hence that I missed Monday's Mask Monday. I just ran out of time to film. So, next week, on Wednesday, we'll pick up our witches looks, makeup looks. And until next time, you have a blessed and magical day. And remember, don't let anyone tame your spirit. Bye.